How to add highlights on Instagram without adding to Instagram story. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Instagram on your phone. Now tap on your profile that is on the bottom right corner. Then tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Here you want to tap on settings. After that, you want to tap on privacy, that is just below notifications. Now go ahead and tap on story here. Now tap on hide story from. Just tap on it, and then you have to hide your story from all the followers on your Instagram so that they will not be able to see your story. Just go ahead and tap on each and every person that is following your Instagram. After you're done, tap on done. Now you want to go back to the home screen of Instagram. Then you want to swipe right and enter the picture that you want to put a story, and no one will be able to see it as everyone is hidden. So now what you want to do is you want to tap on your profile that is on the bottom right corner, and after that you want to tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then you want to tap on archive. Select story archive and then select the picture that you have just put story to, and then you want to tap on highlights on the bottom, and then from there you can put this as highlight without putting it to story or without letting anyone to see your story. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.